I wanted to share a song that came through after I harvested these hawthorn berries before the rains came. May it support you in your connection to yourself, to your heart, to your grief, to your love. Grief is love, grief is love, grief is love, grief is love. Open your heart, let it in. Open your heart, let it in. Grief is love, grief is love, grief is love, grief is love. Open your heart, let it in. Open your heart, let it in. I am a Regat Adama, Earth Weaver, Chaplain, or Ganin-Pinto, and I am so delighted to connect with you on this journey, to be in our lives as fully as we can, and to be with our beloved dead in ancestor form and on their journey to wherever they are headed next. I'm here for you in those times, in these threshold moments. I want to be with you, support you, hold the space alongside of you as you find your way and as we find our way together. May it be so.